So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla and this is Missilla. If you're here for the first time, thank you for stopping by my channel. Kindly consider subscribing. If you're here for the second, third, 100th time, thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for always supporting me. Kindly, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment because I'll be sure to read it and reply to your comments. Thank you. Don't leave before you subscribe. Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. I think this is the video that is going to break the African Village Chronicle series. No, it's not. There's another video before this one that is not from the village. So guys, I hope that you really enjoyed that series. I created it with love and I hope that you enjoyed that series. For those who've never maybe been in the village, I hope that this was something that excited you. Thank you so much for the support that you've shown me in the African Village Chronicles series. Guys, thank you so much for all the support. So guys, as you've seen from the title, I'm gifting myself for Christmas. Yay! So guys, this is not like the best thing I've done for myself this year, because this year has been life-changing for me. I've done so many things for myself. I've gifted me with even better things this year than the one that I decided to gift myself for Christmas. Because this year was mainly about me. It was like I put myself first and I prioritized myself. That's what I was doing this year, and I have done so many things this year, and I'm going to do that in my 2023 recap video. That maybe is gonna be the next video, maybe not, but it's gonna come definitely, because I have to recap this year because it has been life-changing for me. So guys, let me give myself a Christmas. Because it's actually related to the kitchen. So I'm gifting myself for Christmas. This is something that I've always wanted to do, and I've always been feeling like it's not so necessary, it's not so urgent, I shouldn't do it, but this time I just decided that this is the perfect gift for me this Christmas. So here we are, unleashing my Christmas gift. Yay! You already know what it is. It's non-stick cooking set, and yeah, so we're going to unbox it right now. The camera is in good position, yeah, that way. So we are going to unbox it with you guys right away, but before that I also bought something that is related to it, the cooking sticks and what have you. Yeah, so yeah, this was so important for me. So yeah, I hope you like them. This is the non-stick cooking sticks and serving sticks. So this is how they are. I like them. I like them. Yeah, they're good. What is this for, you guys? You should tell me. I don't know. Okay, I'll use these ones. I know what they are for. Okay, guys, let's unbox this gift already. So, yeah, here we are. I feel so excited. I've been waiting to do this for a very long time. So, it's gonna be something really interesting for me. I ordered them online, so yeah, this is the delivery notes. Okay. Oh my god! So this is the first thing I meet. Oh my god, this thing is. Oh, okay, let's just see what it is. So that's the first thing I meet. The lid, one lid. So yeah. So this, I'm supposed to attach this to the pots. Oh my god, I didn't think this is supposed to be too much work. So this is the smallest pot. Oh my god. Oh, I like. Oh my god. This is the smallest pot. Yeah. So the other ones are just gonna get bigger. I like how they packed them. So this is the lid to the small pot, but I need to attach this part that is here. I need to attach it. I'm not sure how to do it, but I'll figure it out. I'm always a creative girl. So this is the second one, the second size. So I'm supposed to remove this, right? Remove from that one. I like how they have packed them so well, like seriously. This is the second size of the pot. And I like how they're not too big, you know. So this is the lid. Oh my god, I like it. They pack them so well, I'm amazed. There's the third pot. Guys, if you need the other spoon, just tell me, I'll give them to you. Because at this point, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Yeah, this is the third one. And they're just a good size, you know, they're not too big because again, I live alone. This is its lid. This is the third one, right? So, yeah. There's supposed to be 5, so you have 2 more. They get bigger. This is the fourth one. This is the fourth one. Wow. Yeah. You guys, I have waited to do this for so long. This is the lid. Wow. Then here is the fifth one. This is the largest pot. The largest pot. Yeah, it's good, right? Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy I finally did this. I'm so happy. So this is the largest pot, yeah? Oh, the lid that I removed first is for the largest pot. I like how they just packed all this stuff so nicely. So then this is the pan. Non-stick pan. Wow, it's so nice. So I'm supposed to fix this stuff. Oh my god, I didn't know this would be too much work, but it's quite a lot. So that's it. Let's set these things up. Just put this away. So I just put back everything that is used to pack them for in case I need to move. I just put them all inside here. They will help me in case I need to move for whatever reason. Move to a different place, you know. So yeah, let's set them up. You know, I'm always creative, so this is not something that is scaring me at all. I'm a creative girl. So this is supposed to be from here, right? Just like that. Just like that. And you've already fixed it. Just that simple. That's it. Oh my god, is that as simple as I thought? It's supposed to be like this. So, just like that. So I think there's something that I'm supposed to fix. And I find it. You know, I just have to figure out everything by myself. So I'm gonna be creative. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to be creative. I have to figure things out on my own. Hey, oh my god. This figuring things out is not so easy. Okay. So I think this is supposed to go here. And this is supposed to go here. Can't risk breaking these leads, so figure things out slowly but surely. it. Yeah. So, yeah. I think I did it right. Yeah. I figured the first one, so the other ones are going to be so easy. So yeah. I try get something to tighten them up better. So yeah, it's nice. So fits so well, so I have to figure out the other four. But it's not becoming easy because I already understood the assignment. I've already understood the assignment. I'm that fast. So now that I already know what I'm supposed to do, it's so simple. It's so hot in Coast nowadays, my goodness. Surprised just how hot it is. Wow. I think I really figured out this thing so quick. You see, the second one is already ready. So yeah. Exactly. Good. Ready. This is the third one. So I still have two more. It's hot. Can you see I'm sweating? It's so hot. So if I get this two more. Now this thing, I've not figured it out yet. But such a quick learner that shouldn't be a problem. This one here, we have to. So guys, that's it. Here are my pots. Here is my Christmas gift. I'm so happy about my choice. My pots, my cooking sticks and serving sticks. I'm so happy about my choice, guys, for my Christmas present. But there's something that I've been trying to figure out how to put this here for a while now, and I still can't figure it out. I feel like something is missing. I don't know. I wish I had a man in my life that would have helped me. But here I am stuck, not knowing how to fix this thing, and it is what it is. I'll try figure it out later. I hope that I can find a way. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I've been trying every way. It's not making any sense. This way is making sense. This way is making sense. But now how do I place this? Like, how am I supposed to do this? I don't know. I've been trying to figure this thing out for a while now, and I still don't know. So I guess I'll just try to figure it out later. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Thank you. I hope you liked my gift. Tell me your comments about my choice of pots, and yeah, see you later. Till next time. Bye.